Most people get Reddit errors wrong by panicking or reinstalling unnecessarily. If something went wrong, please try again later. Message on PC can be fixed with a few simple steps. Step 1. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Most Reddit errors are caused by outdated or corrupted files stored in your browser. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy, and Security. Clear browsing data. Select cookies and cached images and click Clear Data. Restart the browser and try again. Step 2. Disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or privacy extensions can interfere with Reddit scripts. Temporarily disable extensions and reload Reddit. Most people get this wrong by blaming Reddit when the issue is local. Step 3. Try a different browser or incognito mode. If Reddit works there, the problem is your primary browser settings. This helps narrow down the cause without drastic measures. Step 4. Check your network connection. Some errors happen if your IP is flagged or your connection is unstable. Restart your router or try a VPN to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Update your browser. Older versions may not support Reddit's latest updates. Make sure you're running the newest version. If none of these steps work, Reddit's status page may show platform-wide outages. In that case, all you can do is wait. Most people get this wrong by repeatedly refreshing, which doesn't fix the underlying issue. In conclusion, something went wrong. Errors are usually simple to fix by clearing cache, disabling extensions, or checking connectivity. Most people get this wrong by overcomplicating the problem. Subscribe for more Reddit tips and troubleshooting guides so you can browse smoothly every time.